Hey guys, welcome to my eye makeup tutorial. First things first, curling the eyelashes. Really make sure you're getting all the angles of it so that you can get the outer corners of your eyelashes up, and that gets like the best like falsy effect. My favorite mascara, and this is the mascara that I use right now. Start by using the I already forgot what it's called, but the one that I'm using right now, and I just see how far I can get with that. I don't really like the wand of this one. It feels like super dry, but basically I just concentrate it on the tips of my eyelashes and on the outer corners so that I can keep the outer corners lifted, and then keeping it focused on the tips like just helps with the overall look. And then I go in with my Sky High wand and dip it in the other mascara so I can get a better wand. Then I go in with the eyeliner and I just go straight in my waterline. I know I'm pulling my eyes a lot. Don't pull your eyes, guys. Like, it's not good. But then I use like a really pointed makeup brush and I dip it in black eyeshadow. And sometimes I do both. Sometimes I do only one or the other. And I just go and I clean it up. I try to put some in like my tear line to like mattify it. And that's, yeah, I think I do the mascara or the eyeshadow most of the time. I recurl once it's fully dry. And then I go in with this shimmery eyeshadow to get my inner corners. I try to mix it with another shimmery eyeshadow I have that's more orange because sometimes it's like really harsh, but this time I didn't. I try to make it a bit subtle, but sometimes I do like a sharp line. And that is the last step of my eye makeup. And this is the finished look. Hope you enjoyed.